Executive level support can be important for implementing 360-degree assessments. Without upper management support, it may be difficult to see the improvements it's capable of facilitating. Keep in mind that executives face pressure from many directions, both internally and externally. So, gaining leadership commitment could require explaining how 360-degree feedback can benefit the whole organization. Resources may also be scarce, so it's critical to make the value of 360-degree assessments clear. To gain the support of leaders, it could be helpful to use business logic at the forefront of any discussion. So you may need to specify how 360-degree feedback can improve production and provide supportive research. Having a sound business case that highlights the possibility of a clear advantage is one way to do this. Here are some considerations when building a business case. First, it may not be helpful to present anecdotal benefits or individual accounts of companies benefiting from 360-degree feedback. Instead, it may be better to use research. For example, recent research by psychologists in the journal Human Resource Development International showed that feedback and coaching can help with turnover rates. If a company is facing high turnover, it could be costly. Executives may be interested in effective ways to reduce costs of turnover, and a business benefit of feedback is that it can reduce turnover intentions. Fewer people leaving the company means fewer costs related to turnover. Something else that may help gain executive support is showing leaders how 360-degree assessments align with organizational goals. For example, if a broader organizational goal is to have the fewest quality defects in the industry, clear feedback could be a strategy to reach this goal. Using constructive feedback to guide coaching, individual learning, and customized goals can lead to a better understanding and improved performance metrics. A better understanding of operations may lead to fewer mistakes and possibly better quality outcomes. When aiming to gain executive support, it can be important to focus on continuous improvement and to have methods of monitoring progress over time. For instance, if a selling point for using 360-degree assessments is that turnover can be reduced, a reasonable approach is to set a target and monitor progress. The target can be a number that's time-bound, such as a 10% reduction in 12 months. Progress may be monitored monthly to see if numbers are trending toward the goal. After a few months, if progress seems slow, you can investigate what improvements can be made to get progress back on track. Having executive-level approval for 360-degree feedback is important and may require business logic. Points that can appeal to leadership might include the financial advantages that the new process can bring to an organization.